What happens when nature unleashes its fury and all we have is each other? Prior to Hurricane Katrina, life was ordinary. Sunshine filled the sky, laughter echoed, and families made plans. Forecasts suggested a distant storm, but its magnitude was uncertain. An uneasy calm permeated the air, signaling an impending tempest. No one could have predicted the extent of the catastrophe that was about to hit. And then, on August 29, 2005, Hurricane Katrina made landfall. This was no ordinary storm. It was a cyclone of epic proportions, its winds wreaking havoc on New Orleans. Homes were destroyed, submerged, lives disrupted. Chaos ensued, the once lively city now eerily silent. People were trapped, fearful and desperate. The city, once brimming with music and culture, was abruptly transformed into a desolate ghost town. The scale of the catastrophe was incomprehensible. In the face of such devastation, it seemed like all hope was lost. But even in the darkest hour, a beacon of hope emerged from the people. From the devastation, narratives of unity and cooperation came to life. Strangers, bound by adversity, extended acts of compassion and bravery. The wind seemed to have swept away the divisions, leaving only humanity's raw, unifying essence. Stories emerged of people sharing their last bits of food, offering refuge to the homeless, and providing solace to those emotionally suffering. A sense of community was forged in adversity, a symbol of the inherent goodness in everyone. People across spectrums came together in solidarity, rescuing each other from danger, providing essential aid, and pledging to revive their shattered communities. These stories of unity, of strangers becoming neighbors, of trials revealing humanity's best, reverberate through time. They underscore that, even in the face of massive challenges, we are stronger united. The unity displayed by people in the face of adversity was a testament to the indomitable human spirit. Before we wrap up this video, we want to hear from you. Was this tale of unity inspiring? Do share your experiences of unity in difficult situations. The power of unity can truly transform scenarios. Share this video to spread this potent message of resilience. Encourage others to stand strong amidst challenges, to rely on each other, and to utilize unity's strength. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for inspiring content. Unity is not just strength, it's survival. Let's continue the conversation, remain enlightened, inspire each other, because together we are stronger.